Once upon a time in London, there were two siblings, Usman and Manur. Christmas was just around the corner, and Manur, Usman's younger sister, was filled with excitement. One day, she went to her dad with a request, "Daddy, can we please get a Christmas tree?" Sandy's dad got one, and it looked so pretty. Usman, being a thoughtful big brother, overheard Manur's wish. He gently reminded her, "Christmas is a special celebration for Christians. We are Muslims, and we have our own celebrations, Eid-ul Fitr after Ramadan, and Eid-ul Adha during Hajj." Despite Usman's explanation, Manur's eyes filled with tears as she insisted, "But I really want a Christmas tree and lights." Usman, thinking of a way to make his sister happy while respecting their traditions, suggested, "How about this? Instead of having our own Christmas tree, let's go out as a family and enjoy the beautiful Christmas lights in London. We won't celebrate Christmas, but we can still have fun looking at the decorations." Manur's face lit up at the compromise, and the family agreed to Usman's idea. They set out together, strolling through the illuminated streets of London, marveling at the dazzling Christmas decorations. Manur's joy was contagious, and the entire family couldn't help but enjoy the festive atmosphere. Usman's mom, appreciating her son's wisdom, said, "Usman, you are so wise. We will decorate our home during Ramadan and have a grand celebration on Eid-ul Fitr." Usman's dad added, "Inshallah, we will make it a big party, our special celebration in our own way." The family happily made their way home, ready to cherish their unique traditions during the upcoming festivities. And so, Usman and Manur learned that compromise and understanding can bring joy to everyone, no matter their beliefs.